Hello, everyone. Welcome to a weekly series where our students showcase their prowess of having their research papers published in international journals. Today, we have with us Swati K, and we are going to have a wonderful discussion about the paper titled AI-driven automated quality inspection for beverage bottles, leveraging object detection models for enhanced supply chain efficiency. But before moving towards that discussion with Swati, we'll see a very simple example of how we at 360 Digital MG enhance our students' life, or how we are going to help them take their careers to the next level. So here we have this very simple example where we have two people, two friends. We have the Mr. A and we have Mr. 360. Both are getting trained on data science and AI. Okay. Mr. A is getting trained in XYZ Institute, and we have Mr. 360 getting trained at 360 Digital MG. Now, both are getting trained, both get the assignments and everything. But mind you, you have this wonderful opportunity of getting trained by real world practitioners, real time practitioners in projects on data science and AI, who you get at 360 Digital MG, whereas you'll not get that option when it comes to an XYZ Institute. And you also get these wonderful opportunities to work on real time projects, real world projects. Projects that we have at AI Spry are all brought in at 360 Digital MG, and you have this opportunity to work on it. Whereas Mr. A, okay, he'll be working on dummy projects, Kaggle projects, GitHub, the one that you find on YouTube. Now, as part of this process of working on real-time projects, the students also get this opportunity to attend Scrum calls. Okay, they also have to ensure that they create the end-to-end data pipeline. They have to deploy on-premise as well as on cloud. And they also have to attend client meetings whenever and wherever required. Okay. The icing on the cake over here is by the end of everything, right? We also get this opportunity to our students where they have this wonderful opportunity of getting their names published in international journals as part of their research papers. Now, this is a question that you would all feel, okay, we have Mr. A, Mr. 360, both of them give their resumes to the employer. Whose resume is going to get selected? Of course, it is going to be student 360 or Mr. 360. Because Mr. 360 is not only getting trained, he is also gaining experience when he's working on these projects. He's also going to get challenges while working on these projects, and these challenges are to be also mitigated. So this is what we are providing at 360 Digital MG, which will enhance your career, which will help you to take your career to the next level. Okay, now let's coming back to whatever we have in hand right now. So let's first welcome Swati. Swati, welcome you on board. How are
Yeah,
you doing? Hello.
yeah. Hi, Bibi.
How are you doing, Swati?
Yeah, I'm good, Bibi.
So,
So,
Swati, I would like you to take us through the project scope and what is this project about? Okay, it
yeah,
would be great to hear from you.
yeah, sure, Bibi. I'm also. So, yeah, my project is AI-driven automated quality inspection for beverage bottles, leveraging object detection models for enhanced supply chain efficiency. This is our project. So, our project is all about checking if beverage bottles are okay or not. Like, is the bottle cracked? Is the cap missing? Is it filled too much or too little? So, things like that. So,
Mhm.
usually in factories, people have to check these bottles by hand, but it's really hard to do that perfectly. So especially when thousands of bottles are moving fast on a production line. So people can get tired of these small mistakes. So we thought, why not make a system that can check all this automatically? That's why we trained a smart computer system to look at the pictures of bottles and tell whether something is wrong. It can quickly catch issues like wrong labels, missing caps, or damaged bottles. The best part is it can do this super fast and without needing breaks. So this kind of system helps companies save time, avoid sending out bad products, and keep the customers happy. It's like having a very sharp-eyed quality checker working non-stop. So yeah, that's what we build.
It seems to be a very interesting project, Swati. Could you also take us through this project architecture? Seems a little complex, so we need your help here to understand what this project is. We already understood what the project is about, but how and what you did to accomplish this task of using the models that you have set.
Yeah. Our goal is simple to automatically check if a beverage bottle is fine or has any problems like cracks, missing caps, or wrong labels. So that's why we build a project, right? So we start by understanding the business problem, then move to the data collection. We take lots of pictures and videos of bottles. Some are perfect, while others have defects. So all this data is safely stored in online space called as S3 bucket, which works like a digital storage folder. So once it's complete the data collection, move to the image processing part. We clean and prepare the images, resizing them and applying changes like clipping or rotating. So these changes called data augmentation help the system learn to recognize bottles in different angles and lighting conditions. So based on work this. So then comes to the model building stage. We train a model using these prepared images so it can learn difference between good and faulty bottles. We use a model called YOLO V5M, which gave us around 85% accuracy. For checking how well the model works, we used a method called mean average precision, and we got a score of 0.85, which is quite good. So once the model is ready, we deployed as a web app using Streamlit. This means anyone can upload a bottle image on the app, and the system will instantly say whether it's okay or defective. So that's why we build the model. Finally, we have the monitoring part. We keep an eye on the system to make sure it's working well over time, even when new types of bottles are used. So from collecting bottle images to giving instant result. This is how our smart bottle checking system works.
It was a very detailed explanation about what you guys did and how this all setup came into place.
Yes.
Now, I do believe that as part of the project, you would have, of course, come across a lot of challenges.
Yes.
Now, I would not ask you to take us through all of these challenges, but sure, any one of the challenges that you face really tough and the ways that you had to travel to mitigate that problem would be really helpful for our students and for our viewers who are watching us.
Yeah, sure, Vipin. So first, collecting data was one of the biggest tasks. We needed a lot of bottle images, both perfect and defective ones. However, obtaining enough images of bottles with rare defects, like cracks or missing caps, was challenging. As a result, the dataset initially ended up being a bit unbalanced. So to address this, we collected more data and balanced the dataset. And next, another challenging was labeling the images correctly took a lot of time and effort. Even a small mistake in tagging a bottle as good or bad would confuse the model and reduce its accuracy. So another one of the challenges was the variation in how the bottles appeared due to different lighting, camera angles, or backgrounds. So that's why we use that data augmentation technique.
Okay. So, friends, you've heard from Swati about the challenges, also very technical, and you've heard about the challenges and what all mitigation solutions they have come up with. So it was wonderful talking to you, Swati. I hope you do great in future also. Uh, Good luck.
Yeah. Thank you, Vipin. Thank you.
Okay, friends, let's continue with some of the offers that we have at 360 that we can offer you. Okay. So other than trainings, and we also have this opportunity of giving you real-time projects which you can work on. Okay. We have this very fine-tuned, very well-tuned project methodology, which you would be having first-hand experience on when you're working on the projects. You'll also learn about different tools like Python, Power BI, different cloud platforms. You'll work on research papers too. Okay. And these research papers are going to get published on international journals. Okay. Along with that, you also have these wonderful free tools, which not only you, I mean, not only students who are working at 360 Digit or studying at 360 Digit MG, but people who are not having a course in 360 Digit MG, people who are working, anyone can access these wonderful tools, which is easily available, accessible through our website at 360 Digit MG. So we have the mind map, ML architecture assistant, RO Hub, really good tool for people who are looking for creating resumes, right? So if you have your resume, you can just post it here along with the job description. It'll give you how much your resume is matching with your job description, and it will also help you to create the new resume there and then itself. You also have this animated learning. Okay, we have people who are very quick, right? They would want to go through content quickly, and if it's not interesting, it will not stay back. Now we are here, we are ensuring that this educational content is interesting, is impressive. So we have it at animated learnings, which you can access for free. Everyone can access if you go to 360digitalmg.com under learning resources, you'll find it for sure. Now, we also have this great offer going on for certificate course in data science where we have a 50% off. And it's a limited time offer. People who are really interested to learn about data science, please do check out this offer. Please do check out the course. And we also have the placement guarantee program that you're providing for through professional program in data science and AI. This is also a wonderful opportunity. And a special batch would be starting on 15th May. So people who are interested in data science along with AI can offer this. And here too, you have limited seats, and there is whatever that you are going to go through or learn during the course is of course going to be high demand. Okay. Right. We have our locations and at Hyderabad. Okay. We have our locations at Hyderabad. I think yeah. We have our locations at Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. And you can call us at a toll-free number 1800-212-654-321. And any inquiry that you have, you can also send it through mail, inquiry@360digitalmg.com, and can always visit our website at 360digitalmg.com. We also have a presence in LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So have a great day, friends. Thank you. Happy learning.